Hello viewers, welcome to RK Keynotes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extend your C drive space without formatting your operating system. First of all, you need to install Magic Partition Resizer software. I've given the downloadable link in the description box. So these are all my drives. That is local disk C, entertainment, that is named as P, and study and softwares. Let me show you my partition in my PC. So this is how my partition looks like. C drive and softwares, entertainment and study. But the application will show you something different over here. You see this, after C drive it is showing entertainment first. Okay, so why I'm explaining these things is that you can extend only for example, now I want to extend C drive space, right? So I can extend either from this reserved memory, it is showing 100 MB, right? So if there is any drive, from there I can extend, or next to C drive, whatever the drive which is next to C drive, I can only extend in this way, either from previous drive or the next drive. I can't extend from softwares directly to C drive. Okay, so you need to look. So first of all, you need to open the application, install the application and open the application, check which drive it is showing after C drive, then shift all your files to another drive, then you can do partition. Fine. So I'm trying to do it in this way. So I have shifted all my files to another drive, that is study or softwares. So what you want to do here is, so now this drive is empty, I want to add 30 GB to my C drive. So you need to right click and select resize or move partition. So once if you do this, select this option. So here you can drag the size. For example, my entertainment drive is around 80 GB. So I'm going to drag from right to left basically. So I want around 30 GB, or let's say 30 GB. So I want to add 30 GB to C drive. So I have selected 30 GB, and rest of C unallocated space is 49, around 50 GB will be my another drive. Okay, so just select the required space like this, click OK, and you see this entertainment now it is showing 30 GB and unallocated space is around, so I can add this entertainment into C drive. So click apply changes and click OK. So you can do all these things in 2 minutes. So the new drive got created, and now it is showing unallocated. So we need to allocate. That means we need to create partition. So right click on it, create partition. So it will automatically number your drive. If you want to change the letters P, Q, E, D like that, you can change, and these label also later it can be changed. Just name something and click OK and apply changes. Click apply changes, click OK. So the new drive, the drive will get partitioned. Yes, it is done. You see this C drive is there, P, that is entertainment, is there. I'm going to show you in my PC. You see this local disk C, and that AA is around 48 GB, and this entertainment drive is around 30 GB. So so I need to add this 30 GB with my local disk C. So what I'm trying to do is, you just right click on C drive. Okay, select C drive and right click, select merge partition, and here you need to select two checkboxes, that is from which drive you need to add which space, that is from C drive. So I want to add my P, that is C, it is showing only P as highlighting. You can't select D or Q over there. So this is why I said that you need to first of all check which drive comes after C drive. So I have selected entertainment here. So with that 58 GB, this 30 GB will get added. Okay, and click OK. That's it. So it is about, we are going to perform merge operation. Click OK, and even this happens in 30 seconds, no issues. So you see this, there is a output, it is showing that 88 GB right now. Click apply changes. So that here it will be showing pending operations. No worry, don't worry about that. Just click on apply changes, then you need to restart. Okay, once if you restart, in a black screen it will perform merge operation. All right, then you just don't press any keys. It will do merge operation. It will take 10 to 15 seconds. maybe 25 seconds, and once if it shows 100% done, then it will automatically restart. Then after restarting you need to log on. So once if you, so now I'm showing my PC after I'm logging in. So which means that you see this the additional space got added in my local disk C, and the D drive is about 48 GB which we have partitioned, and now earlier it was just 7 GB free in my local disk C, so now I have got 37 GB free. So all these things I have done without formatting my PC. So this is really a useful software. You can try this one if you want to, without formatting, if you want to add some space into your C drive, definitely you can do this. So this is a useful application. And do hit the like button if you like the video, do share with your friends, and thank you and thanks for watching the video.